A solid WordPress website needs a solid foundation, and it starts with a theme. In this video, we are going to review the world's most popular free and multi-purpose theme, Astra. Whether you are starting a personal blog, a business website, a portfolio, LMS website, or even an e-commerce store, you can use this theme to create any kind of website. It's fast, lightweight, and packed with amazing features, and we'll cover everything you need to know about this theme. So if you are interested in this topic, keep watching the video, and if you are watching this intro video on social media, then check the video description or comments for full video link. So let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Shahzad and I make WordPress videos to help you build stunning websites without writing a single line of code. Today's video is sponsored by Astra and we are doing a full review of one of the most popular WordPress themes out there, the Astra theme. I'll walk you through performance tests, the starter templates, the new AI website builder, customizer options, WooCommerce integration, and more. If you're planning to build a fast, modern, and flexible website, Astra might just be your best friend. But before we dive in, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more helpful tutorials like this. Let's start with the basics. Astra is a lightweight and highly customizable WordPress theme developed by Brainstorm Force. It's been downloaded over 2 million times and there is a reason it's so trusted in the WordPress community. Whether you are a blogger, freelancer, agency owner, or someone just starting a portfolio, Astra adapts to all. Speed is one of Astra's strongest selling points. I ran a default Astra site through GTmetrix and Google Page Speed Insights and it loads under 500 ms with no extra optimization. That's because Astra's scripts are under 50 KB in size and it doesn't rely on jQuery, so your site runs fast, smooth, and won't get bogged down by heavy scripts. So in conclusion, Astra is great for core web vitals, mobile friendly, lightweight, out of the box. Now let's talk about the starter templates, my favorite part. Astra offers over 300 plus pre-built starter sites for Elementor, Gutenberg, and even Beaver Builder. But wait, there is more. The Astra AI Website Builder is a new feature that helps you generate full websites with content and layouts using AI. Just answer a few questions and it builds a ready to edit website for you. Ideal for beginners who don't want to start from scratch. You can customize every layout using your favorite page builder. So let's do a quick demo. Okay, so now let's take a look at the key features of Astra, and first of them is their starter websites or starter templates. After installing the theme, you will see a huge notice over here. Let's get started with the starter templates. Click on it. It will install and activate the Astra starter sites or starter templates plugin, which you can install by yourself by going into plugins and add new and search for Astra starter sites. Now, after activating the plugin, you will be redirected to their starter sites importer welcome screen. And you will see two options over here. The regular one, classic starter templates, and their amazing AI website builder. And keep in mind, it will give you two free AI websites uh, in the free plan. And if you want more, you will have to upgrade to the ZipWP's premium accounts. So let's first test their AI website builder. Click on build with AI. And now let's give your website a name. Let's call it plumbing services and search for local business. Okay, and choose the language for website, click next. And now let's write a prompt for your website like, okay, now after giving a short prompt, you can improve this prompt with using AI. It will improve your prompt to give you better results. And like this, you can adjust this prompt like at established in 2022, let's say. And you can also adjust some other aspects of this prompt, and don't worry, you can always customize your website later on. Click on next, and now give your email. Always use your business information because this information will be used to build your website, and it will be used across your website. Okay, now give it address. Okay, you will give your proper address, and you can also add your social media links right here, so they will be incorporated in your website automatically. Okay, click on next. And now it will ask you to choose some free images over here, and you can also upload your own images if you have some. And let me select some cool looking images. You should select multiple types of images like different resolutions and different scenes, so they will be used across your site. Okay, I think that's enough. Click next. And now it will display you designed websites, and you can choose your favorite editor so that you can easily edit the website later on using the selected editor, because it will import the templates for this specific editor. Like if you want to go with block editor, it will install Spectra, and if you want to go with Elementor, it will install Elementor. Let's just keep the block editor selected, and now you can scroll through and choose the design you like, and some of them are free and some of them are premium designs. So let's see what we have here. I think this is a good looking one, and this is also a good looking one. Let's select this one, and now it will ask you to see if it has used the images you have selected, and you can obviously change them later on. And you can see it has nicely added the pictures and content for your website, and it will add actual content later on, and it's just the preview for your website. And now you can choose the default options, like you can upload your logo right over here. You can choose between different typography options. You can choose between different color schemes, the one you like. And I think I'm gonna go with a light color scheme. Okay, now after you are done customizing, click continue. And now you can select some features. Default features are selected, like the default plugins that are required to build this complete website will be selected, and you cannot unselect them. Otherwise you can incorporate other plugins like appointment and bookings, free live chat, and automation and integrations if you like. Now just after you have done selecting your desired features, just click on start building. And now it will ask you to create a ZipWP account. If you already have one, just click here to login, and if you don't have, click on create ZipWP account. I already have one, so I will continue with it. Okay, it has linked my account. Now I will click on start building, and it will take a couple of seconds to a minute or so, and it will build an entire website for you. And I really like their deep integration. Like ZipWP is a whole another platform. It will build your website over there and then re-import that website into your WordPress installation. So you got the full control over your website. So our website is ready, and if you click on see your website, and you can see instead of those placeholders, it has nicely generated headlines and services names, their description, and every content is editable and is fully customizable from WordPress dashboard. So let's get back to the dashboard. Now let's see how we can edit these pages. Simply go to pages and you will see all of those pages created over here, and you will click on edit and it will load the Spectra page builder within Gutenberg. And now you have the full control to edit any element, any aspect of your website. Like this background image is not the one it showed us and I really don't like it. I will just click on this container, and you can navigate to the styles, and you can see you have the image over here that you can choose from your library. Like we had seen this one, I think, during the preview. And okay, here you go. Now you can also customize the overlay colors, and if you want to edit the content, just start clicking and start writing your content. This way you can customize your whole website and just click on save changes when you are done, and your website is now live with all of the content generated by AI. You can see it has created complete pages, not just the placeholders. If you click on contact, it will also have a contact form with the phone number and the contact information that you have entered in during the setup. So this is how easy it is to create a complete website using ZipWP's AI builder with Astra. Now I will reset this installation and I'll show you how you can import the classic templates or starter sites. Okay, we are back to the main screen, and now as you can see our website is now reset and those pages does not exist because I have reset this WordPress installation. Now let's start again and I'll walk you through with the classic templates or starter sites that of Astra offers, that does not require any account or any paid subscription unless you want to use the premium templates, and you can generate unlimited websites using Astra's starter sites. No, so now let's select with build with templates option, and now you will be asked to choose your favorite page builder. I'll go with the block editor, and now it will display the ready-made websites that includes the free starter sites and the premium ones. So if you have Astra Pro, you can use all of those premium templates or premium starter sites that you can see over here. And now let's let me select the local business. You can filter the starter sites through these categories like local businesses or businesses, personal care, professional, and anything that you want. So now let's just start with any template. I think this one looks nice, digital agency. It has the similar options over here as well, like you can upload your website logo, you can choose between the typography, and you can choose between the color scheme that you want, and you can always customize those options. Later on I will show you where you can adjust these designs or options from customizer. Just click on continue, and similarly it will ask you to configure or select features that you want, like appointments and booking, free live chat, continue, Now you can fill up this information to subscribe to their mailing list. Okay, click on I understand and let's go. If you don't want to share your information, you can just leave these fields empty and just click on I understand and let's go and submit and build my website. Now it will take some seconds or a minute maybe, depending on the speed of your web hosting. Okay, our website is now successfully imported. You can click on view your website and you can see our complete website is. And the major difference between AI website builder and these starter websites, you can see there are dummy text or placeholder text throughout your website, which you don't see on AI website builder. But obviously you can add your own content later on, like I have shown you. Just visit your WordPress dashboard and go to pages, and now you can edit your pages just like before. And here you can just simply select the containers or start editing the content. Like I want to adjust the width of this container, and then you can customize the text and content however you like. When you are done, just click save and you are ready to go. And it will ask you to configure some plugins, like if you have installed the SMTP plugin, you will configure, and you can configure your other plugins that are installed during the setup, which are the chat. You can create your account and etc and configure those plugins as you like. Now let's take a look at Astra's customizer features. Go to appearance and customize, and here you can customize the complete layout and styling of your website. And let me walk you through one by one. In the global tab, you can adjust typography, colors, containers and buttons. In colors, you can see you have presets, and you can also customize the colors one by one however you like. And then containers, buttons, and the most amazing feature of this theme that I highly like or appreciate them doing this is their amazing header builder. You got all the control over your header, like how you want to build it. You can add elements like HTML, widgets, social, search, and some elements are available only in the premium version. If you upgrade to the Astra Pro, then you can unlock all of these amazing widgets to use in header and footer builder. You can see you have rows, 3 rows, and then columns, and you can also adjust the visibility of these elements per screen, like tablet, mobile and desktop. And you can also customize the different post types like blogs and archives, single post. You can adjust the layout of your blog posts, and then single page, search page, custom post types. And then in general, you got some other options like customizing the breadcrumbs, sidebar, scroll to top feature, accessibility features that are pretty amazing. And you can also customize the block editor. And then footer has similar builder to the header. You can completely customize the footer however you like. It also has similar widgets that you can use in your footer. And then if you have installed WooCommerce, you will see another tab to customize the store. Like I will go to plugins, add plugins, and I will install WooCommerce. After you have successfully installed and activated WooCommerce, now if you reload the customizer screen, it will display another tab which is WooCommerce. Now you can customize complete layout of your WooCommerce, like in general, container layouts, sidebar styles, product catalogs. It has some amazing options. Since we don't have any products yet, so we cannot see over here, but you can customize the card styles and product displays, and you can also customize the structure of the card for free, and it has single product customization, and it also has cart checkout and some other features like plus and minus quantity sign. And if you upgrade to Astra Pro, you will get a lot more customization features for your WooCommerce website. So now let's take a look at Astra Pro, what features it offers and what you will get in the premium version of Astra Pro. And if you visit the pricing page, it will give you discount depending on your country. Like I'm browsing from Pakistan, it is displaying me that I have 40% off, and you can switch between annual or a lifetime subscription for one website, 10 websites, or 1000 websites. In Astra Pro, for $49 per year, you get all of these features like site builder, more complete WooCommerce customization, other customizer add-ons, and I highly recommend upgrading to Essential Toolkit. It is great value for money, and if you do decide to purchase any subscription from Astra, please check the video description for our affiliate links, so that will help us create more courses or free video tutorials for you. For $79, you will get Elementor Premium Starter Templates, access to Premium Starter Templates, ultimate add-ons for Elementor, Spectra Pro Page Builder, which is an amazing page builder if you like the Gutenberg ecosystem. And then you will also get Spectra Premium Starter Templates that has 100 plus Astra and Spectra powered pre-built templates. And if you decide to purchase their business toolkit, you will also get some amazing bonuses like AutoCAD, cart flows, and ZipWP's Pros subscription for 3 months, so you can build more websites using their AI website builder. So they have already given me a subscription to test their product, so I will quickly install their premium add-ons and premium theme to show you what features you will get after installing their premium theme. Okay, now I have installed and activated Astra Pro. Let me show you. There are plugins that you need to install. Astra Pro comes as a plugin. The theme is same. You will install and activate the Astra Pro, and then you will also install and activate the premium starter templates plugin instead of the free one, and you will activate your license. And then I have also installed and activated the Spectra Pro. Let me show you what comes in the Spectra Pro. In the dashboard, you can see you have a lot of blocks that you can enable or disable from here, and you can also use the AI feature like AI assistant with during the design and editing of your pages, AI design copilot, and you can see all of the add-ons that are activated over here. And you can also use the pop-up builder, and you also see the blocks, complete list of blocks that comes with Astra Pro that you can now use during the creation of your pages or when you are editing the pages. Now you have the complete power of the the Spectra Pro Page Builder. Like you can ask AI right here, rephrase something else, or fix grammar, or etc. Let's get back to the dashboard. Now I will reload the customizer to show you the newly unlocked features of the customizer. Now you can go to header and you can start using all of those amazing widgets like color switcher between light and dark mode. You can customize its settings like icons and other options, and you have now whole lot of other widgets that you can use in header and footer builder. And you can also customize the WooCommerce even deeper, like using their amazing design tab, and you can also adjust the cart styling, and you will get a whole lot of other options using Astra Pro. Like you can customize the structure of the single product page, product options like breadcrumbs, shipping text, and sticky add to cart, and a whole lot of other amazing features that you can see over on their website. If you click on the Pro, you will see all of the Pro features that comes with their Pro version. So now it's your time to start building with Astra. And if you have any questions or suggestions, you can leave them in the video comments. And now I will give you my conclusion remarks. So, is Astra worth using? Absolutely. For beginners and pros alike, Astra offers blazing fast performance, tons of templates, AI powered builder, WooCommerce support, customization flexibility, and huge third party integrations. If you want to build a modern site, Astra is one of the free themes available, and the pro version takes it to another level. This video is sponsored by the team behind Astra. I have personally used it on many client projects and I truly recommend it. Check out the link in the description for a free download or grab the pro version. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like and share it with someone starting their WordPress journey. That's all for today. Let me know in the comments. Have you used Astra before? What's your favorite theme right now? And what features of Astra you like the most? And what could be improved or added in the free or pro version? Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.